Hello everyone, and welcome to a new weekly overview. The last week, the weekly overview was really beneficial. We made profits, and you saw how the simple example about the euro, it went down. You'll see everything today. And you are seeing and you are experiencing how this business, whether it's scalp or swing, it's already a business, a scientific business where there is no place for luck, there is no place for gambling, there is no place for trying. And this is the message and the mission that you have here in EA Economy and in the Alpha Infos project. So, all with the swing trades, the weekly overview is brought to you by EA Economy, sponsored by Equity and initiated by me, guys. So let's see now what will happen when it comes to this week. We have news, as you can see. كانوا شايفين عنا نيوز. أول شيء بدي أتشكر الأشخاص كانوا معنا من هيديك الأسبوع لأسبوع اللي كان الماركت حلو، عملنا بروفيت. هذا بيفرجي قد إيه هيدي البزنس علمية ثقافية ساينتفك، بطريقة إنه مش واحد يتكل على الحظ، يتكل على القمار، يتكل على يجرب حظه. لا، كله علمي ومثبت، والسيستم واضح وصريح مثل ما بيقولوا بالنتائج تبعه. تنشوف الأخبار هذا الأسبوع شو عنا. We have like a CPI Tuesday 14 Feb 5:30 p.m. Dubai time. We have the CPI, which is the high volatility news for the USD, which can move fast. The gold, the Dow Jones, and you can trade on news for people who wants to. Personally, I will not have a live stream for this. And then we'll have GBP, CPI next day, retail sales, core PPI also, it's a high volatility news. And so far we have Tuesday on USD and Thursday on USD important, Wednesday also on GBP USD. So let's go for the weekly overview. We start as usual with the US 30. بنبلش بال US 30 مثل العادة بالweekly overview. The Dow Jones is still stagnating, is still doesn't really have a real direction when it comes to the push down. The problem here, we have a lot of, and here I would, for example, put a support at this level, and if it breaks it, but look here, 1, 2, 3, very hard. For the short term, we will be waiting as usual for the long term to see what can happen. So the buy will stay the same as the sell will stay the same for the potential double top formation. If it happens, it should push down. إذا صارت ممكن نكمل نزلة. Otherwise, if it start to push up here, it can be a potential triangle. ممكن تكون in patterns, it can be a triangle. Look, 1, 2, and 3. This can be a symmetrical triangle, which is an alert for a continuation pattern. هذا بينذر ل continuation pattern, then can bring this Dow Jones up with the numbers that we gave you before. الأرقام اللي اعطيناكم إياها قبل. أما for the reversal pattern, it can be also a reversal pattern as double top 1 and 2. And then if it breaks, we should move down also to the cell that we have. This is the neckline. So we are between a symmetrical triangle. نحن بين symmetrical triangle مع 3 waves بقلبه that might push the US stock market and the US 30 more up if it breaks the resistance that we have. And or we might have on a reversal, we might be on a reversal pattern. ممكن نكون على شكل انقلابي مثل ما بيقولوا. And الماركت بلش يقلب. Market starts to turn down or go bearish more if it breaks the support. So the same numbers like last week, nothing changed. You will see it in the table. نفس الأرقام مثل الأسبوع الماضي رح بتشوفوهم بالتable الأساسية. Here for the gold, also we were expecting the push down, so it pushed down before. Look here, it was the first expectation of the push down before. Look here, it made like a channel up and then started to push down. Now we have this potential sell. If it resumes down for the gold, and this potential buy if it starts to retrace up، يعني إذا بلشت تقلب طلوع. كيف يعني؟ بكل صراحة this is the push down. Now if it start to push up again we might have a kind of divergence، يعني low lower low, while here we might have a low higher low. So if the CCI on the daily إذا CCI على الديلي كسر طلوع breaks up, here we have like a double bottom here also on the percentage R, and at the same point it start to push up breaking this high, so the buy will start here for gold. الباي ممكن يبلش هون للذهب 1895 1895. the buy 96 TP1 1906 TP2 19 TP3, and the full target this clean traffic up till 1942 the full target. The stop loss, we will see the wick of the previous candle that broke in the lower time frame, but so far I will put like started 1894 entry, 1895 TP1, okay, 1894 entry, 95 TP1, stop loss around 1886 87 1887. As for the sell, if this is a flag, إذا هيدا كان flag للsell, this is the flag, two parallel channel, and then the target should go down, should resume down. So this is the break here. We should reach like 1830 almost. So if at any point this candle, the next candle daily open, makes a wick up respecting the previous wick and then start to push down again, the sell will be starting this level. Sell رح ببلش ابتداء من هيدا الليفل. like 1850. Okay, 1850, stop loss 1856, 1849 TP1, 1846 TP2, 1841 TP3, and 1834 TP4. Can be a nice one. This is like the target of the flag, and maybe it will move down more and more. So these are the two scenarios. هول سيناريوين بما يتعلق بهول البيرز بالجولد. US oil, it pushed up this week as we expected, and it should keep pushing up. So far, new resistance formed here. The big resistance already is here. This is the main resistance. Main resistance is here, as you can see it. If it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up after this, like 80.55, stop loss 79.93, 65 TP1, 8111 TP2, 8240 TP3, and TP4 might resume all the way up to this level, 8545, which is this level. As for the reversal, we might have a new reversal here, starting this level. The low of the previous candle, because here with the clean traffic at this level, so the sell can start 1732, stop loss 7632, stop loss 7730, even less, wait, this one, stop loss 77 TP1 22 76 22, TP2 75 65, TP3 74 50, and TP5 72 73. TP5. Okay, this is for هيدا بالنسبة للأويل. في حال كسر عنده clean traffic as you can see here. We have a nice clean traffic at this level. It can push down, breaking this level, while breaking up, it can push more up. Bitcoin, as we said last week, guys, here you can see it on weekly. Always we check the Bitcoin on weekly. As we took the buy here since 17,000. Now, last week we said if it close here, open, make a wick up and start to push down, it will go for a move down. Now, at least it's retracing 38.2 till 21,717. If it breaks 38.2, it should resume further down. So this is the new study. And that's why if you are in a buy position here, at least you have to close half of your position here in a profit. Personally, I closed 80% of the position I took. I kept 20 also in case it reversed. And of course, the stop loss is at my entry. And I will transfer the others here. If you are using leverage to trade the crypto, this was the sell here. The next level for me, it will be this support. بالنسبة لإلي, this support line, the 38.2. If we break the 38.2, 21,153, we should go further. 2848 TP1, TP2 the 50%, 20,413, and TP3 19,400, let's say 19,500, and TP4 will be the 74% that we have special for us, Fibonacci, which is 18,514. As for the buy, we will keep the same buy. We just change the sell. If it breaks up, it should resume up. It will be just a retracement, normal technical retracement. بتكون retracement ريحة صغيرة من بعدها بيبرم بيكمل طلعة. أما في حال كسر 38% في خطر ينزل لل 50%، لل 61.8% فيبوناتشي، و74%. هيدي إضافة إذا ما عندكم إياها، هيدي خصوصي لنا نحن بنستعملها. أوكي. وإذا كبس طلوع كمان في مجال بلش الشروة من هون ويرجع يكمل طلعة. عادة البست سيناريو للشروة هي من هون، من 25,569، بس فيكم تتركوها هيديك. لو نلاحظوا هون ضارب هون طالع، ضارب هون نازل. Okay, especially here on weekly CCI percentage are also, it's getting ready to move down. So we have a potential to resume the retracement down before moving up if we have a potential move up. So we change the sell, only the buy will stay the same. GBP, JPY on the daily chart. Let's remove all these to start a new study. Nothing on the indicator. نمشي بالإنديكيتر حاليا. التركيز الأساسي هو هون على السبورت وعلى الريزيستنس. Okay, here we have this long position up. We have this short position here. These are the big titles for the GBP JPY. Okay, so if it pushed up, breaking, we have a clean traffic up, breaking the 162.55 entry, 162.55, 162.55, stop loss 161.78, or let's say 80. 55 entry 55 65 TP1 TP2 100 163.40 TP3 165.44 and TP4 168.33. While if it opens, makes a wick up and then start to push down with a little bit more volume. مع نتفة فوليوم زيادة إذا فتحت عملت ويك up وعم تكمل نزلة، ننطر أكيد كاندل 2 يسكروا هون. And then the sell can start around 155.23, stop loss 155.88, the 13 TP1 53 here, this one 53 54.10 TP2, 52.60 TP3, and the TP4 can resume till 148.75. the push down. This can be a rectangle also stagnating before it resumes down, or it can be a triple bottom and reversing up. What do I mean by triple bottom? This one. One, two, three, and then it can push up. We go for the currencies now. We go for the euro dollar. As we expected before, it's pushing down. One second. So here the euro dollar, as you can see, if we go to the 1 hour, we had the study like it had the 1, 2, 3, 4 Elliott wave. It could reach here or 38.2. It did 38.2 from wave 2. Look, wave 2 till wave 3. It did the 38.2, the mid half of the 50. Then it started to push down again, going for the wave 5. So now breaking the previous low for the next week. يكسر previous low للويك الجاي بيعني انه معقول يفتح يعمل ويك اب ويرجع يكمل نزله تيوصل للويف 5 which is around here. Trend base Fibonacci 1 and 2. So we might be reaching the 61% already reached, but here we might be reaching the 1 which is here. Okay, equal to the wave 3, which is 10572, which converge also with the divergence that we have. Let's remove these. Here, as you can see, guys, if we remove this, if we go for the daily chart as we usually do, and especially here, the move down for this daily chart, Nazle, we said that we are, and weekly even, we did the study last week on the weekly. Okay, so here you can see this. We told you that this candle will close bearish this week, and it happened because we had a big rejection candle, open, wick up, and then it closed at 106.76, and so far moving down from 109 and that 110 till 106 as we expected last week. And now for the Fibonacci retracement, we can see from the bottom till the top that we are at 23%. Now breaking the 23% will put the euro with a push down for the 38.2 for the full retracement, which mean 1.0463, and let's say 1.05. So, and then 50 and then 61 maybe, I don't know. So we will take this sell short position now here below the 23% and below this support. So if the euro opens, makes a wick up on the weekly and start to push down again, the sell will be 1.0665, stop loss 1.0705, 1.0655 TP1, 1.0610 TP2, 1.0490 or 1.05 TP3, and 1.0350 TP4. Always keep it the take profit above the support line to be on the safe side. But so far, pure technically, pure scientifically, the big Elliott wave on the weekly 1 2 3 4, and then it's pushing down 1 2 3 4. ممكن نكون عم ننزل بالويف 5 نزول فرطة بتكون ثقيلة لليورو، بس انه or it can be just a retracement 38.2 50 before resuming up the trend. هلا for the buy we will keep the same. For the buy we'll go for the daily. We will have this resistance for the buy If it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, breaking this first daily, يعني closing first daily candle here, the second candle on the daily. يعني for Tuesday, if it opens, makes a wick down, للثلاثة فتحت عملت wick down, تاني candle رجعت تكمل الطلعة and start to push up, the buy will be around this level, the first buy, not the big one. Will be around 1.0807 or 1.810. Stop loss 1.0, 1.0810, 1.0770, 10820 TP1, 10860 TP2, 1.0925 TP3, and 1.10 TP4. We go for the GBP USD. Here the GBP USD also, as expected, it made the double top and then start to push down. Okay, it made the double top and start to push down after this, as expected also. Now it's making a flag. Let's remove all these scratch. هلا عم يعمل الفلاج. Look, this flag, this pure flag. Here now if it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down. إذا فتح عمل wick up وبلش يكمل نزلة. We'll have the sell at this level. Look, it's closed at the low. Now if it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down, we'll have the sell at this level. Here 1.2035, stop loss 1.2670, 25 TP1, 1.1992 TP3, TP2, 1.1955 TP3, and 1.19 TP05 TP4. As for the buy, we will have this resistance. أما بالنسبة للشروي رح يكون عنا هيدا resistance. So the buy is Sharwi 1.2205, stop loss 1.2180, 1.2215, 1.22 TP2, TP1, 2245 TP2, 2315 TP4, TP3, and 1.240605 will be the TP4. As for AUD USD, also double top formed, resumed down. Now this might be a retracement. This might be a retracement 50%, and we might see a push down. So we have to decrease this. So this is nice. هيدي منيحة. Sell هون بتبلش ساعتها. Sell will start here. Okay, and we have a clean traffic till this level. The sell, if it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down. The sell 0.6850, 0.6880 stop loss, 0.6840 TP1, 0.6818 TP2, 0.6780 TP3, and 0.6735 TP4. Okay, stop loss, we said 0.68, like 75. As for the buy, we have this resistance now. The buy is 0.7020, stop loss 0.6990, 0.7030 TP1, 7060 TP2, 71 TP3, and 7145 TP4. And the USD, AUD USD, sorry, the stop loss will be here around like 0.70. Okay, and the DUSD Also preparing for the move down. This is the support. You have a potential wick fill here at this level. If it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down, we can start the sell 0.6290. 0.6290, 0.6310, stop loss 6290 sell, 6280. TP1 0.6260 TP2, 0.6230 TP3, and 0.6180 the TP4. Well, stop loss will be around 0.6310. هلا for the reversal up for the buy, we might have this potential here. If we break 0.63 here, 0.6368, stop loss 0.6350, TP1 0.6378, TP2 0.6410, TP3 6460, and TP4 0.65. USD CHF. Let's start to push up. We stay on the same buy, and we will stay on the same sell. We will not change the buy. We will not change. Oh no, I will change the sell. It will be much better here. So the sell for the USD CHF will be 0.9055, 0.9055. Stop loss 90, 0.9080, 0.9082, 0.9055, 0.9045 TP1, 0.90 TP2, 0.89646 TP3, and 0.8864 TP4. I think it's far now to happen. While now it's retracing down, it's creating the support here. عم يخلق support هون. And most probably, if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, we will have the buy option, which is like last week. He zeta, you will see it on the table مثل الأسبوع الماضي 92 95 092 95 the entry with the stop loss and the TPs that we have. USD CAD still in the no trade range area. Nothing changed for this week. Look, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we are still stagnating in the middle. So the push up will be 1.35 here, 38. The push down will be starting 1.3203. You will see the numbers on the table. Nothing changed. The same study like last week, stagnating in the middle. بعده عم يتأرجح بالنص بلا ما يكون في أي تغيير يذكر مثل ما بيقولوا. and بمطرح المطارح رح بتكون عم نستعمل لحتى ننطر الكسرة نزول أو الكسرة تلو. We'll wait the breakdown or the break up. So this is it, guys, for the weekly overview. Make sure to watch the table, the number table, but of course don't put the orders for the numbers table before you watch all this weekly overview. And checking when it's having the wick up or wick down, when it's breaking, always the risk management, guys. And the weekly overview, it's based on the previous candle low. So if I'm working on the daily chart and it started to break on the daily, directly I go to the 4 hours, I check, did the candle open, went down, and then pushing up for the buy to take it, and the stop loss will be the low of the previous candle. Don't work like robots. Analyze. Here you are here to educate yourself, to be educated, to analyze. We are giving you the guidance. kind of signals but educational one, so you will be able to analyze in the best way لحتى تكونوا انتوا عم تحللوا تشتغلوا وتشوفوا مش مثل الروبويات عم نشتغل نشوف نحلل اذا فتحت على التايم فريم الاوطى الويك وين ستوب لوس وين بتكونوا عم تشتغلوا بشكل مزبوط وعم بتطوروا هذا الشيء. Thank you so much guys. See you tomorrow Monday on the live stream and also during the update for the main 6 pairs of the weekly overview. Thank you guys. See you.